Hello friends, today in this video I am gonna show you video editor app in Windows 10 PC built in your Windows 10 PC. You don't have to look out in internet. Without using internet you can use it in your Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. So at first go to search bar and type video editor, and it can be even found in photos app. You can go up or you can select. It's latest given by Windows company, so update your Windows if you didn't get. Now you get this place, and you can see it came from photos app itself here up. If you want to make new project, you can go here. Now I'll name it, you can leave default also. Okay, I'll leave it default. Now we can add any videos from here, from web, my collection or this PC. I'll add it. Now let me add I'll go here. I'll add this doctors, or you can drag it also. And again, if you want one more, it is good to add itself. I'll add one more from my PC. I'll add presentation one. Now if I want to edit, select this video and drag it here with your cursor. Now automatically video will form. And if you want to join this video, don't worry, there is no option. At last, by editing everything, you can go here and finish this video. Simple. And if you want to add 3D effects, aurora, atomic motion, see, I'll play it in this way. Done. And can increase speed, decrease the speed, slow, fast. You can trim it, and if you want to split this video, you can split it by going here. By using it, it's very easy to use, but you can't use more and more special effects. And if you want to add background music, you can go here. There are many audios of music given by Windows itself, or you can use custom audio by going here. I don't have any custom audios, so you can go to your browser and you can add. And if you want to reverse something you have made mistake, now you want to go back, you can go here, undo, redo, here it is. And if you want to add title card, you can. And if you want to delete something, you can delete. Again I'll do Ctrl Z, let it be the video. And if you want removal by selecting this much, you can here also. And if you go here, you can remove blank bar, shrink it to fit, or you can go here to filters and add inky, joy. I'll add this iceberg. Done. See, this is a very good editor. I liked it. I liked it more. And you can change the pattern how it looks, so that it can be easy. You can use it bigger, smaller. And at first, please remember to drag it from here, otherwise you can't do it. I'll show it again by removing this. If you have a laptop, tap the touchpad twice and drag it, or if you have a mouse, click and bring it here. Okay, see, it's more important, otherwise you can't edit your video itself. And if you want to end this video, everything is finished editing, so you can go to finish video and you can choose anyone. There's one drawbacks also. And if you have 4K HD 4K camera, so but you are editing the video here itself, and if you want to use 4K, you can't use 4K. Highest is 180p, and medium 720, and lowest is 450. If your highest is 180, let it be here. So use this. But drawbacks is you can't. There are some more drawbacks. And if you want more better than this, you can go browse it in Google or Chrome or Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then you can export. Automatically it opens your folder. Already it renamed as new video. Now I'll export it, and you can save it however you want. I have only one option: video file export. It takes little bit time. Running. Wait. Takes little bit of time. If the video is still more big with more edits,
6 best doctors in the world.
it takes some time. So my video is complete. So now you understood how to make video in video editor software given by Windows in Windows 10. You can if you are now also using Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, you can install it from Microsoft, upgrade it. There is one more video software, you can download it from internet. The link is given in the description box. The name of the software is openshot video editor. Here it is. I'll show it little bit in interior. There are many tracks, filter effects. There are much more than video editor software given already in Windows 10 PC. So now please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and like my video. And if you want to know more about something or we are stuck with any computer, please let me know down in your comment box. So